Throughout the course, I'll periodically provide videos that follow the book content. I'll not do this for every page and every exercise in the book, but I will in cases where I believe it will be helpful to you. On pages 6 and 7, we'll create the foundation for all of our future work in the class, a simple HTML page. You'll create our first HTML document. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standardized format for specifying the structure of a web page. HTML documents consist only of plain text. This makes the creation of these documents easy and only requires plain text editors. We'll get started by opening a plain text editor. On a Windows computer, you already have a text editor called Notepad. Other operating systems have different editors available. For this demonstration, I'll be using a product called Notepad++ as my plain text editor. If you'd like to try Notepad++ for yourself, it's a free download available online through a simple search. We'll start by entering the doc type as the first line of the document. This allows the web browser to know the rest of the document is written in HTML. Then we'll add our next tag. It's simply HTML. Then we type a closing tag, /HTML. Usually when we talk about tags, they're in pairs. There are some exceptions, but usually every opening tag is paired with a closing tag. The closing tag will usually be the same as the opening tag, but the tag will be preceded by a /. So far, we have a doc type. This is an example of a tag that doesn't need a paired closing tag, and the HTML tag and closing tag. Everything else we create in an HTML file will be included within these HTML opening and closing tags. We will now save the file to the Lessons folder, which is located under the Unit A folder within the publisher-provided content you downloaded earlier in the class. If you've not downloaded this information yet, please visit the publisher's website or go to the Course and Faculty Information section in Blackboard to get your copy of these files. The actual location where you save this particular file is going to vary depending on where you decompress your publisher-provided files. I'll show you how I'm going to save it on my machine. I'm going to go to Unit A, to Lessons, and then I'm going to save the file as an HTML file, calling it index.html. Let's save, and now we're done. You've created your first HTML page. This is the foundation of moving forward in this class and on to the next exercise.